What's up, guys?
What's your names?
I'm Tweety.
And I'm Bird. Our trail names.
They're from Campo, trying to make their way. They won't stay around.
I know you were liking it.
Ugh, whatever.
It's a good song.
Yeah, it was a good song. I'll give him that. What did that last mileage marker say?
6 miles?
We should have started a lot earlier.
I thought this was going to be a fun trip. I'm turning it.
Oh my God, no, you don't have to do this. Oh my God, please.
Got a light?
No. None of my business, but they could ban you for doing that.
Well, shit. Just trying to quit anyways. Never seen you here before. Girl, you are so fucking gorgeous. Like, if I wasn't into dudes, I would totally smash.
You're really pretty, too.
I know. Oh, I got the plates. I got my gun in the car. Let's go fuck this guy
No,
up.
it's no use.
Then we're gonna get married.
Fucking squares.
How much?
800.
That's ridiculous.
Shut the fuck up, bitch! What was that?
Nothing.
From this point forward, whenever you see me, you will see the one that you love.